we're in Austria. That's it.
All right.
That's how you cross the border in Europe. But this is not like, you know, driving from Illinois into Wisconsin or Indiana. Here you have a whole different language, whole everything. At least we have the same currency here. So I guess we're going to, how'd you say it? Villach?
Villach.
Villach.
I think that's how you say it. But one of the cool things though is as you start to get closer and closer to the border, the signs end up in both languages.
So I did not expect this at all. We were trying to find like a midpoint between where we live in Italy and Vienna, and I found this, like, it looked like a cute, charming vineyard. Like, I'll just spend the night here. This is definitely a very unique, very interesting place. I can't wait to go check out the room and also check out this view. This is like a little village. We're trying to find where our room is. This place smells like a rich person's house.
It honestly just smells like cologne and wood.
Okay, I think this is it. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, the wood. I feel like we have the whole forest in here. Austrian candy. Let's see the mattress test. How cold does it get in Austria? Oh my god. Very European shower where you can see the person showering. Zero privacy. I wonder if they bring you room service with wine. We have a little balcony, not much of a view considering we booked this last minute. Look at those grapevines. There we go. Oh, that's a giant bug. It smells amazing here. Wow. So all of this is their wine, which I cannot wait to try at dinner. So far, really, really nice. I'm looking for that free wine. Oh, what is this? Oh, shit, we do got free wine. It took me a second because I don't know German. The rain showers, I think people either love or hate them, but those are great. And then let's see the most important thing, especially if you have too much wine. What do you think about this place so far?
There's a lot of wood, but it smells great. It looks great. It's quiet.
I think that's the restaurant we're about to go eat at, but check out this view. Have you ever had Austrian wine?
No. German wine, yes.
But Austrian, like we're in an Austrian vineyard.
Nope. In fact, when we were inside there, I was actually looking at some of the names of the wines and I've never heard any of those names. I mean, there were a couple of Pinot Noir and things like that.
So Vernon is struggling with the menu. Why, Vern?
So the menu is only in German and I don't read German.
Not even a little bit.
Not even a little bit. Maybe Google Translate can help us out here.
Germans just have the longest words ever.
Oh shoot, wrong language.
They're still in Italy.
Yeah, it's like a European problem. You have to switch languages every time you cross the border somewhere.
Vernon found a fly in his wine. Only he gets that luck. So while Vernon has to wait for another glass of wine, I get to enjoy mine. Imagine the best Jolly Rancher that was like apple and grape that you've ever had in your life. Now imagine that as a cold wine glass. This is amazing. Vernon already tried it. What do you think?
It's good. It's really, really refreshing, but it's really perfumey at the same time. Okay, so I picked this up. I didn't know if this was what you used to stab the cheese with, but I think this is actually
Oh, bugs.
It's a breadstick.
But this is definitely much different than from the charcuteries you get in Italy.
Okay, I'm not gonna try one of the exotic ones. That's more Mariana's type. I'll go with one of these. This
It's
looks
just
safe.
brie.
Ooh.
What does it smell like?
Like blue cheese, kind of. I'm a little worried about that. This isn't blue cheese, but this is like the cousin of blue cheese. So I'm already suspicious of it.
Just have more wine. You'll be fine.
True.
What is the longest German word? And here it is. I am not going to try to pronounce it at all. Believe it or not, that is all one word. We've been to Austria before, but we've kind of been on tours and other things. We've never really experienced Austria by ourselves. For some reason, a lot of people have bad impressions that Austrians are very rude and very mean. Honestly, so far, first impressions of Austrians, they're really friendly, really nice. I mean, I can't complain. We'll see tomorrow how they are in Vienna.
Okay, so the second wine that we got here is one called Symphony XX.
It looks a little darker. It smells like wine. Ooh. This one is not as good as the first one. It's still good.
It's still good.
The first one was better though.
That's going to be the subtitle of my life or my autobiography. It's still good.
So I have the Austrian steak with some salad, you know, trying to be healthy. Vernon's got
like 3 different kinds of pig here. So we got this, we got bacon, we got probably some more pig hidden underneath there, potatoes. The Austrians, they like very hearty food, it seems. But I'm not complaining because it's a little cold outside right now. I know it's strange, but it's the middle of July and it's like 70 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold in Austria.
Yeah, it's strange, but we're not complaining because we got to eat up.
Vernon's also speaking Italian to Austrians.
Switching languages is not easy.
So I suggested to Vernon we do like a little hike to the castle. What did you say?
No, definitely not. Look at that. First of all, even if you walked up all the way up to the top of this area here with all those grapevines, you're still only about halfway there. And we just got done eating all that food. By the way, Austrians, they give you a lot of food. So be warned when you come here.
Yeah, the portion sizes are very, very generous.
So that plus 2 glasses of wine means I'm not walking up to a castle. No thanks.
Wah, wah. I think that had to be some of the best sleep I've had this year. What about you?
Yeah, that food, the wine, and this beautiful air over here is just amazing. And it definitely made for a really, really good night's rest.
We're about to go have breakfast, which is included, so... But these views are incredible. It looks like the world's best green screen, but it's not. I think we are literally the first people at breakfast.
Nice.
Stew. Very Central European. Hey Vern, what's in here? Lift it. Because I got my cappuccino.
Bacon.
Ooh.
Looks like vegetables, steamed vegetables.
You gotta balance out the bacon. Eggs.
Eggs.
Okay.
That's scrambled eggs. These are sunny side.
Oh wow, look fake.
That's cool.
And then bread, of course. Boiled eggs.
So they're like 3 different kinds of
Pastries, Nutella. That's how you know you're in Europe. Different jams, yogurt. I mean, you're good. So I got a variety, a little bit of everything. My cappuccino, the views, and Vernon's still struggling with the coffee machine inside. What'd you get?
Scrambled eggs, these random cold cut meats, these 2 pastries, and then this
really good.
double espresso. This one?
One's really good.
Ooh.
It's like the best bologna you'll ever have. So that was surprisingly a very good breakfast. Very simple, very delicious.
Yeah, we're definitely not disappointed by Austria so far. This is only our first stop here, and we're going to Vienna next, but so far so good. The people are really nice. The
Yeah.
food is really good. The views are amazing.
Yeah.
And I think we better get out of here before that rain catches us, because it looks like it's starting to get a little cloudy over here.
It's following us from Italy. So hopefully you enjoyed this mini vlog, and stay tuned for the Vienna vlog. Ciao.
See ya. One of the things that you have to note when you're road tripping around Europe is a lot of times you have to get these things called a vignette. They allow you to travel in between the countries, and in order to be able to get one of these...
To the particular country you're going to.
Yeah, so for example, we're in Italy, we're going to Austria, so we had to get one for Austria. So we stopped off at a gas station here, and we got one of these things that we have to stick on a windshield, so we'll show you how to do that right now.
So it's funny how a little $10 sticker, if you don't have it or if you attach it improperly, can be like $150 fine. So I'm just trying to read. You either have to put it here or behind the mirror. And I think we're gonna go behind the mirror and we're gonna gently detach it and hopefully not mess it up. Let's put it right here.